Alright, you guys, welcome to today's video. Hope you guys are doing awesome. But right now we are in the Transit van. In the Transit van, we got the hood up in this sucker because the battery is dead. These lights just drain the battery because we just did like a 3-day paint correction. This van hasn't moved. We've been in and out of it with the lights on, so it just drains the battery having all these lights on. But no, we do have some new LED headlights. Light bulbs, I guess you say, not full new housings, but low, high beam, and the mirror lights all going to be LED, white LED too, so it's going to look clean. But we got this little holder from Harbor Freight. Holds gloves since Whitney stole my glove holder with her pink gloves. And then we got this little paper towel holder, magnetic, pretty sweet. But we just picked up something today. 10,000 lumen Ego 56 volt portable area light tool. So we'll be opening this up for you guys, unboxing her, and then showing you when it gets dark out how bright this thing is. It's really insane. I was gonna get the Milwaukee Tower Light, but this thing is like $20 cheaper, 7,000 more lumens, and the batteries for these things, you can get them on eBay, like open box, $140 versus the Milwaukee HD 12.0, so like $250. And this thing will last 35 hours, it claims, on low. So I'm assuming on high, probably like an hour, maybe 2. But no, I think this thing's going to be sweet if we're ever detailing and it's getting dark out, especially now that we're heading into winter. You know, it gets dark out around 5:30, 6, so we need a little bit extra daylight. This thing should do it. So let's go ahead and get this thing open for you guys. So we have the box right here of the 10,000 lumen Ego Power Light. They do recommend running the 5 amp battery. We do not have a 5 amp battery at the moment. We have the 2.5 amp that they sell. We will be ordering the 5 amp. I found it for $140 on eBay, so we'll be picking that up because I'm sure this thing needs that kind of power to run 10,000 lumens. But let's go ahead and check out what we're working with inside this box. I love buying new stuff and opening it, especially when I get to film it. Just makes the experience that much better. Alright, what do we got here? Register your tool, yada yada. I never do that, probably should. Okay, we got this little piece. Oh yeah, this thing is sick. Here she is. I think I paid $160. It was like $170 after tax, but if you're in Oregon, you ain't gotta worry about the sales tax. But check it out, you guys. This thing is so sweet. It's nice and compact. It's very compact for having, I don't know how many, I think it's like 4 or 5 lights this thing has on it. So this is where your battery goes. I turn it this way. And let's see here. We open this lights up. Did it lock? Oh, it's got a lock, I think. Maybe? Oh yeah, okay. Bam! Check that out, you guys. 10,000 lumens, 35 up to 35 hours of runtime on low with the 5 amp battery. So we do not have a 5 amp battery, so we will not be getting that kind of performance yet. But this thing is beautiful. It has a USB port right here. Plug in your phone or whatever. So you've got the power, the minus plus, turn on which light you want. You can turn off each light. So you can run just 1 light, or you can run 2 lights, 3 lights, 4 lights, I believe. We'll find out tonight. But no, this thing is so sweet, and I love how you can just, when you're done using it, fold her down, bam. Then I can just throw this in the cabinet or set it right here next to the AR pressure washer. I mean, that's the one thing with the Milwaukee Tower Light. So the Milwaukee Tower Light, which I was going to buy the M18 Milwaukee Tower Light, just the single, is $180. It's on sale right now. I was going to pick up that, but it's only 3,000 lumens. It's very large. The plus to that is you can run a extension cord into it at all times. You don't need a battery. That's the downside of this thing. You're going to need a battery to run it. I don't know if they sell like a battery connector that has a plug that runs out of it. Maybe like someone on Etsy has something like that. That would be pretty cool. But no, just gonna spend $150 on the battery. This thing will be dialed, but We got all the plastic still on her, so we'll go ahead and peel that all off. Oh, that's satisfying. Yes, very nice. So, well, I guess we'll go ahead and charge up a battery and see how this thing works. Alrighty, you guys, it is around 6:30 right now, and as you can see, it is pretty dark outside. So we're gonna go ahead and grab our Ego. What is this? It's our 2.5. Yeah, these are 2.5 amp hour. So we're gonna take this. Let's go to the van real quick. You guys probably won't see me for a second, no doubt, because in a minute we about to have the gnarliest light on. All right, let's open the van. I don't know why, but for some reason this thing has like, it says it only has 1 mile left, and I swore this thing had like 170 when I shut it off. So I don't know what's going on with the van, but we'll figure it out. Alrighty, so here she is. Let's go grab this bad boy. Take our 2.5 amp hour battery. Shove it on there like so. Gives it a little more weight. Alright, go ahead and open her up. Yeah. Where's these last stickers? Where do I peel? Where's the peel tab? Come on. I think I found it. Come on, I just want that satisfying peel. There she goes. Oh, it's like actual tape. Oh, man. Come on. I hate when companies do this. Why were the other ones so satisfying? These ones are so hard. Right, there's that one. Alright, you guys, we got the stickers pulled off. Let's go ahead and take this thing somewhere in the dark. Let's see here. Where can we get this over here in the corner? Let's go shut the van doors real quick. Bada bing. Bada boom. Alright, it's now dark. Let's see if this little 2 amp hour battery can run her. Okay, I think that's low. Yeah, it should be low. Let's see here. I think that's full power. You can turn each light off. So let's see how many lights. Oh man, that's bright. Bottom light off. Both headlights off. Bam. So yeah, I'd say it's pretty bright. Holy smokes. Holy cow, that is 10,000 lumens for sure. I'm not sure how long it'll last with a 2.5 amp hour battery, but this thing is all you would need for washing a car at night. Jeez, this thing is crazy bright. And like I said, you can just throw it on the tripod, but you can tilt it up. Man, we got that full area. There you guys, this thing is bright. I'm not sure if this battery is able to power its full capabilities. I think it is. We might need the 5 amp hour to actually test that out, but for the 2.5 amp hour, I'd say she's plenty bright. I mean, it's obviously not going to be as bright on the ground because you're losing a lot, but when you have it up in the air, I mean, holy smokes, look at that. It's like it's daylight outside. And then look at it in there. Bam! Bam! She bright. Alright. Well, I think that concludes pretty much everything with this light. Oh, take it back in the garage. It's actually, yeah, it's bright. So there she is, you guys. She is quite the machine. See, as you can see, it's the 2.5 amp hour battery. This is a 56 volt machine, which that battery is 56 volts, but maybe the 5 amps will allow it to be even brighter. I guess we'll find out once we order that and get that in. But for now, it's plenty bright. I mean, look at that. It is super bright. So, yeah, I approve. For $160, solid fine. So, alright, this is gonna have to be added in before everything we just filmed, but we just filmed the ending to this video, and I just thought of a absolutely insane idea, and holy smokes does it work. Check it out. I got it to hang in the van. So that's what we did. We step in the van. Ow, I just hit my head on it. Okay, it hangs a little low. Alright, but it's what we did. We just used the door, where the door hinges on, hung it right there, and bam! Got a whole light setup. And it is bright. I wonder if we unlock these doors, it'll allow some more light to project. Can't really. There's a metal rail right there. Be careful. Let's see if I can unlock this door. Oh yeah, just really lets that light escape. Look at that. That is so awesome. I love this fan, you guys. It just allows me to do so much more. Look at that. Bam! Woo! That is a bright light. Holy smokes. And it just looks cool. I mean, you're in the van. You can always use the side door if we don't want to bonk our head. But, I mean, I'd rather just duck under it. I think that is legit. Yeah, that is so sweet, you guys. Well, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about that. That is legitness. This light just came in 10 times more handy. It works perfect with the Ford Transit van. So if you have any vehicle that has latches like this, it has these little things that unclip. It's like for hanging on wood posts, I think. But yeah, it just hangs on there perfectly. So, I approve. That is so cool. That's pretty much gonna wrap up the Ego Light. I mean, I don't really know what else to tell you guys. I mean, I'm not really one to like talk about specs and all that. I mean, it's 10,000 lumens. I guess that's specs. But I think it's sweet. You can see, you can turn it down and just off. I love how you can just completely fold it. Bam. And you just fold these side pieces in. Let's see if we can do it with one hand. Bam. Bam. And now it's all locked in. And you got like a little freaking lunchbox for a light. I mean, look how compact that is. You could easily store this thing anywhere, pretty much. I mean, it could probably fit under a seat of a truck. I mean, it's not very big. Your handle even folds down. I mean, not sure what this does. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's like a secret hidden spot. Probably not, but yeah, this thing is a sweet buy. I'm quite happy with it. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Oh, it tightens the handle. I see. So you could probably pull the handle off, honestly, but I'll leave it on. No, this thing is absolutely sweet. Love it. Can't wait to use this thing in the detail. Hopefully in the summer, not in the winter. In the winter here in Washington, it gets super cold at night. I mean, we've had a crazy summer. Like, our summer's extended into October, so we're probably gonna have a pretty harsh winter. Temperatures are already starting to drop like crazy. I think just in this week we're dropping 20 degrees. So it's gonna be a harsh winter, but hopefully next summer is a good one. So other than that, I mean, we got the Ego Light, 10,000 lumens. I approve of it. Go pick one up and try it out yourself if you think it suits you. I think it'll be great for any mobile detailers or just detailers in general. It's very bright. I mean, yeah, you guys saw it's very bright. I couldn't imagine like if you hung this in your interior. So I got interior light that like clamps onto the roof. If you put this thing in the interior, you wouldn't even be able to see what you're doing. It's so bright. But that's pretty much gonna wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys think this light is sweet or as cool as I do. But other than that, it's gonna end off today's video. Stay tuned. We got a couple more videos coming out with some detail stuff. Probably really soon. So stay tuned and ready for those to come to the channel. But other than that, it's going to end off today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.